Cardano for Good. Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Buck, founder of Cardano Asia TikTok channel. Today, I'm going to present the Cardano for Good project to Cardano community. How might we support non-profit organization NPO projects to raise fund with blockchain technology? The proposed solution, Cardano for Good dApp. A dApp for social good entities to raise fund from cryptocurrency. Off-chain linked with centralized exchange SEX ONUSChain. ONUS is the largest SEX in Vietnam with 4 million users. On-chain with ADA-based wallet donation. A comprehensive and transparent dApp for social good projects to fundraise. Before, a thorough framework to select right NPO to enter the platform. During, a transparent process for live update, input and output transactions. After, a committed follow-up to see the impact in reality with involvement of Cardano for Good team. The detail implementations in 6 months with 4 milestones. 2 months for core product developments. Pilot and organize for social good projects in 4 months. 3 in Vietnam, 1 in Japan. The budget, value for money. The total budget is 99,362 a day for the project over 6 months. Out of this, 50% is committed to fund 4 charity fundraising projects. Savings of 40 to 50% in terms of salaries and experience of the core team. Our core team: Mr. Brian and Mr. Chen, ONUSChain, SEX ONUS. Mr. Brian, technical lead of ONUSChain. Mr. Chen, founder of ONUSChain with 4 meters users in Vietnam. Mr. Buck, founder of Cardano Asia TikTok channel Fund 9. Fund 10, ProSkills 39 partnership lead Vietnamese and English. Ms. Ha, ProSkills 39 founder, Vietnam a Japan community builder, partnership head for Cardano for Good. The impact of the proposal to the Cardano ecosystem. 1. Interoperability. This proposal aims to enhance Cardano's ability for cross-chain collaboration, encouraging more ONUSChain users to utilize Cardano. 2. Building a strong community within the Cardano for Good ecosystem by attracting the online community on ONUSChain, which has over 4 million users. 3. Transparency. Clear tracking of inflows, contributions, and outflows to the NPO fund. Transparently recorded on the blockchain. Conversion to FIAT local currency upon disbursement. MVP. There are 2 social good programs funded and 1 ongoing program open. 2 projects done, funded, with post-implementation report. 1 ongoing project. You can donate to support us. Thank you for listening. Please help us to bring Cardano for Good to Cardano community. Search the keyword Cardano for Good and vote yes. Or you can scan and donate ADA to the ongoing project. Thank you again and goodbye.
Thanks.
Thank writing video. So in that time for question.
Thanks.
Sunny. Oh,
No,
no, I'm just joking.
Sunny again.
No.
I will let somebody else. I've got a question, but I realized it's about maybe the future. It's not about this fund in particular. So we want to focus on this fund. So yeah, I will let somebody else go, please. Please, somebody else first.
I've got a question. What there's a lot of projects out there for social good, but why would people want to donate to this particular project?
Oh yeah, that's why. So I think it is because we select the theme of the project, and also we carefully we select the the right projects to enter the platform. And so basically they enter, we verify all of the documents, and then we ask them to provide a donation case. So basically what they want to do and they plan to do with the money they're gonna ask for, and then how they gonna deliver it, and how they're gonna receive the money to report to the community later on. So, and they can donate by blockchain. So I think yeah, that's how they want to do with this. It's a kind of a new way of doing good.
But what's the incentive for people to donate?
Incentive. So I think Johan, I'm not sure I get your questions, but yeah, because they want to do good for community. So they want to find a reliable and transparent people to or organization to deliver the impact that they can trust on. And I think it's just a new way of people not using banking or other payment method, but actually they can people with Web3 and blockchain, they can use their cryptocurrency to donate directly to the project that they can trust on.
Yeah. Okay. Understood.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Thanks.
Yoram, please go ahead.
Sunny. Okay.
Okay, thanks. But you go after, Sunny. So yeah, Sam, great purpose. Well done. How do you plan to verify the impact and what part you put on the blockchain? I mean, you said you're going to then record the impact on the blockchain. So how do you verify that, what you put on the blockchain?
Yeah. So so at the moment, we because we apply this one, Joram, a great question by the way. We apply this now as a concept phase. So firstly, how can we verify it first, right? And then how can we track the impact? So how can we verify it? So firstly, we have the selection process when we ask them to submit all of the documentation of their entities, of their commitment based on the rules of the local government also, because now we onboarded 3 projects in Vietnam. And then the second thing, as I share, I ask them to provide the donation cases when they ask the community for, and the plan to release it. And then we follow up with them. Now we have the volunteer to go directly with them to the impact place to see where they implement the project in real life. And then now we document it and we share it publicly on our channel and also on their channel. But lately we're gonna have the I think in the future state we're gonna have more NFT actually when they have the day and the time of the event or the impact that they make, so that we can utilize more blockchain to put it there later stage. But now it pretty much managed all of that through the thorough process, thorough project from the beginning to the end. Yeah, so it's still very concept stage.
And how about you, Sunny? You had something to ask.
Yes, and something to add. So quickly about the question is the actual platform. Like, I didn't really see how you're gonna engage with the community. Like, what's the UX and the UI like for the person?
Oh yeah,
who
let me share the screen now.
Please.
Thanks, Sunny. So now they see, so they have the desktop and the mobile. So on the mobile, so basically you can go on the ONUS app. So me as a Vietnamese, I also use it because it's very quite popular. It kind of like Binance, but it for Vietnamese. So they have 4 million users. You can donate directly there of change. But here we have the link here, and this is the ongoing project. We can donate it VNDC. So basically it's the fiat in Vietnam local currency. We can do both on change and off change. You see the screen, right? We can do USDT. They have a couple of change here. And then yeah, we just incorporate ADA, so it can be off change on the SEC. But you can also donate to us now. It's ongoing and it's the 40%. So this is the project that we raised the fund for the cancer children in the hospital for Lunar New Year in Vietnam. So we're gonna do some celebration and the event for the kids who still stay in the hospital for the whole holiday for their treatment.
Wonderful. I'm glad that it's up and running. That looks awesome.
Yeah.
In part, I want to just kind of give you an olive branch. For what Yoram said, how are you going to verify? We have a encrypted player that we've created. It's token gated. So any of the people who support a project, for example, the refugee camps that we're doing the music project in, we're going to have a SIP68 token. Is going to be updatable by the actual charity. So I would love to offer you that, because what we want to do is make it an embeddable player and offer it to anyone on Cardano who wants to use it for free. Obviously, you take care of the data cost and all that. We can't do that for you, but we can certainly give you the player. And then anyone who's donated will be able to get update from the actual charity, so they can say messages of thanks, they can show progress and everything like that. And I will. Well, let's talk on the side for about that.
Thanks. And
That
thanks you
would
for
be-
your questions, because it showed me like actually I want to demonstrate and ask for people to call for it, because we really want to make it happen for the kids.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you, Bart.
No,
Thank you, Sunny,
it's
for the
very
question.
important, Sunny. It's very important if you're able to actually streamline and have tools that are used by many. This help to everyone to verify and follow up and then give money to the right project. So thank you for that.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, I'm gonna share the link to the chat also for everyone. Yeah.
Yeah, very interesting. But
Yeah.